This is a tutorial on how to replace the screen on a Dell Inspiron 3520. First thing you do, well, you need, I use a small Phillips and a small flathead screwdriver. That's the only tools that I've needed. You take your fingernails, go right behind the bezel, and it pops right off. Work your finger all the way around. Open it up all the way. Slide underneath. Comes right off. Set that to the side. You're going to take your flathead screwdriver. There's a little connector right here that you want to just unhook easily. It comes right off. Just like so. And there you have that. Now, there are 6 screws on front, 2 on each corner, 1 up on each side at the top. These are the longer screws. They come off to get your screen away and bracket away so that you can reach the 2 bottom screws here and the 2 top screws here on the side. All these are Phillips. And you just take the screws out like so. And there you have it. That loosens the lid. You can get to the side. You know, there's one here, and the same spot on the other side. Again, the Phillips screwdriver, as I mentioned. These are the shorter screws, so it's easy to keep them organized. Just remember the shorter screws go on the sides, and the longer screws go in the front. Now, as you notice, you'll see it comes out like so. This is it's sticky on this side. That you pull that off and put it on the new screen. This has a sticky piece of tape here. Same thing, you pull that away from the like so, and this slides right out. There's no clips. There's no anything holding it. It snaps in and it slides right out. You just slide that out and it slides right back in to put the screen back on. And when you put the new screen in, you just reverse the process. I like to start at the top to get these screws started. Pull that up to where that hole lines up. Let's try that again. Go to the other side. Start the other one. And that tightens her down. And go back in with the screws. Reversing the process. Can't get it to go in straight, just loosen up your other screw a bit and you should be able to get it going in. Now you want to take the six long screws and get them started. Now you want to put this back in. Take your flat screwdriver again, run that right up in there. And there we have it. Take your other long screw. You don't want to tighten them too tight. Because this is going into plastic in the back. And everything's back together. Take your bezel. And it just pops right back on. Go around a couple of times, make sure it snaps in. And now, you've got a screen. It's not broke.